is about germs. So without any delay, let's get into the video. What are germs? For as long as you can remember, your parents have asked you to wash your hands before eating or after using the washroom. Have you ever asked them why? They likely told you the reason was to get rid of the germs. So, what exactly are germs and why do we need to get rid of them? Germs are tiny living things. They are so tiny that you can't even begin to see them with your eyes. In fact, it would take a million germs in a line to stretch across your desk. So it's no surprise that you need a microscope to observe germs. Usually, when we say germs, we mean viruses and bacteria. Scientists call germs as microbes. Washing our hands is the first step to stopping those harmful germs and spread the infection. Bacteria. Bacteria cause food poisoning, sleep throat, urinary tract infection, as well as infections such as tuberculosis. How bacteria make us sick. Bacteria are bigger and more complex than viruses, though they can still spread through the air. A bacterium is a single cell and it can live and reproduce almost anywhere on its own axis in soil, in water, and in our bodies. For the most part, we live peacefully with bacteria. The colonies in guts are helpful to us and strengthen our immune system. But like viruses, bacteria can also harm us by replicating quickly in our bodies, killing cells. Some bacteria are also produce toxins which can kill cells and cause an outsized damaging immune system reaction. How to treat bacterial infections? Broad spectrum antibiotics were developed to kill bacteria in our bodies and in the food supply by inhibiting their growth. But bacteria are extremely adaptive and can quickly evolve to evade antibiotics. Bacteria share their antibiotic resistance genes with each other, meaning more strains generate resistance to the drugs we use. Viruses. Viruses cause colds and flus, as well as the more serious conditions such as AIDS, Ebola, and COVID 19. How viruses make us sick? A virus is the simplest of germs. It is nothing but genetic material encased in protein. Researchers debate whether a virus is even alive. By itself, a virus can accomplish nothing. It needs to enter a living thing to perform its only function, which is to replicate. When a virus gets inside a human body, it can attack a person's cellular machinery to produce clones of itself, overtaking more cells and continuing to reproduce. How fungi make sick? Fungi are more complicated organisms than viruses and bacteria. Fungi are more similar to animals in their structure. There are two main types of fungi: environmental, which are yeast and mold that often live in soil and don't generally cause infection in most healthy people, and commensals, which live on in us and generally don't hurt us. Commensal fungus may play a beneficial role in our overall health. Certain environment fungi reproduce spores, particles that can enter our body through the lungs or in the skin. These fungi can especially damaging for people with weakened immune system. as the fungi can spread quickly and damage many organs. Other fungal infections can be caused by an overgrowth of commensal fungus. How to treat fungal infections? Fungi are slower to mutate, so they are easier to target with antifungal medications than bacteria and with antibiotics. How does hand sanitizer kill them? Often used on the go, hand sanitizer contain ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, or both to kill bacteria and viruses on your hand. Alcohols have been long known to kill germs by denaturing the protective outer proteins of microbes and dissolving the membranes. How coronavirus spread through the air. Scientists have been warning for months that the coronavirus could spread by aerosols, tiny respiratory droplets that people emit when they talk or sneeze, and that can linger in the air.